Hey guys, and welcome back to the H-Plant channel. Today in this video I will talk about plants that will do more than just beautifying your living space. Did you know that there are some plants that will improve the air quality of your living space? They will increase mindfulness and they will create a calm space. In this video I will mention 14 plants that can help you have a healthier life. The first group of the plants that I will mention in this video are those that will improve the air quality of your living space. They are air purifying plants. First plant in this category is philodendron. This loving plant is very die-hard and very easy to keep. In addition to being low maintenance, these plants can purify the air in your living space. Air pollutions can be created simply by using everyday tools. For example, your cleaning tools, or even when you open the window, these toxins will enter your living space. Philodendron is one of those plants that can purify and filter out these toxins. For example, it can easily filter out the carbon monoxide and toxins like this. You can keep these plants in a place that has indirect sunlight, and with a moderate watering, this plant will grow perfectly. The second plant is a spider plant. According to NASA, these plants can filter out up to 95% of formaldehyde in the air. And they will also create a very smooth and calming environment when you keep them in your home. These plants are very easy to keep, just provided with necessary indirect light, watering, and also from time to time feed it with balanced fertilizers. The third plant, a snake plant, which is my own favorite, is also known by different names. For example, Sansevieria, mother-in-law tongue plant, and things like this. This plant also has air purifying quality. It can filter out toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene. Also, these plants release oxygen during the night, which make them perfect for your bedroom. You can have a smoother and more comfortable sleep if you keep this plant in your bedroom. Next plant is fern. These lovely plants can filter out the volatile organic compounds, or in short, VOCs. This plant can create a forest-like atmosphere in your home, and you can easily keep them, and they create an exquisite scene if you keep them in basket pots. Remember that these plants need more watering in comparison to other plants, so you need to water it more often and also provide it with moderate light conditions. Last plant in this category is English ivy. This plant is killer of carbon dioxide in your home. They also create a very beautiful scene if you keep them in basket pots, just like fern. This plant is very easy to keep, just provide it with enough light, watering, and also keep the soil clean and out of any kind of pest. The second group of the plant that I will mention in this video are those that are very easy to keep. These plants are perfect for those who are beginners in the houseplant world, and for those peoples who may forget to take care of their plants from time to time. The first plant in this category is ZZ plants. They are impossible to kill. In the world of houseplants, their nicknames is eternity plant, which shows that how die-hard these plants are. These plants need minimum light conditions and watering, and it's perfect for those who want to start keeping houseplants in their home. Just remember that you have to keep these plants away from your pets and your young childs, as they can create some digestive problem if they are consumed. The seventh plant that I will mention in this video are pothos. Pothos, that also are known as Evil's ivy, are very popular and lovely plants with their heart-shaped leaves. These plants are very easy to keep. You just need to provide the indirect light conditions, watering, and from time to time balanced fertilizers. Remember that these plants are perfect for keeping in water. If you are interested in keeping plants in water, you can also watch this video in which I have completely introduced how you can keep your plant in water for a long period of time. Next plant is rubber plant, which is also known as Ficus elastica. Just like ZZ plants, these plants are very die-hard and also toxic, so make sure to keep them away from your pets and young children. They just need minimum light conditions, minimum watering, and from time to time you need to feed them with balanced fertilizers which contain elements such as phosphorus, nitrogen, and potassium. Make sure to keep them away from direct light, as the direct sunlight can damage the plant's leaves. The next plant, which is very easy to keep, is Aglonema, that is also known as Chinese evergreen. These plants have different varieties from different colors, and they can create a very beautiful scene in your home. Dieffenbachia is also another lovely plant which is very die-hard and easy to keep. And this plant can thrive in different environment in your home, even in the situations that doesn't receive enough light. So pay attention to the watering, to the light and fertilizers. But important note here is that contain some toxin in their leaves, so keep them away from your pets and young kids. In case your children eat the leaves of these plants, you may need to check the doctor. The third category of plants that I will mention in this video are those that can improve the mental health of the members of the home. For example, peace lily is one of these lovely plants. Its white and beautiful blooms resemble the white flag, which is a sign for peace. No wonder they are called peace lily. These plants are very easy to keep. Just provide them with medium indirect light, water it from time to time, and feed it just like other plants with fertilizers. The next plant is elephant air plant. They have a heart-shaped leaves and they can create a tropical environment in your home. Just like other plants, you just need to pay attention to the light, which should be indirect, minimum watering, and balanced fertilizers. The last plant in this categories are succulents and cactus. These plants are very resistant to low watering conditions, and you can easily keep them in every living space. Provided with necessary light. Some of them may need direct light and some of them may need indirect light. So you need to check out in the internet, or you can check out our websites for this purpose. Among these plants, aloe vera is very famous, which can help you in case of burn or any cut. Last category of the plants that I will mention today are those that you can add to your diet. Yes, that's right. There are plants such as basil, parsley, and mint are fantastic additions to your kitchen. Not only they add a pop of green, but they also make it easily to include fresh and green herbs in your cooking. Growing your herbs in your kitchen are far more interesting and even cheaper in comparison to the time you buy them from the stores. You can keep these plants in your kitchen. They grow easily in water and you can add them to your diet. There are also some plants such as lavender that can create a very smooth aura in your place, and you can enjoy its presence in your kitchen. All right, my friends, in this video I mentioned 14 plants that you can add to your home, which will help you have a healthier lifestyle. I mentioned some of them that can purify the air. Some of them can create and boost your mental health, and some of them can be added to your diet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with people who may enjoy these type of videos. And stay alert for the next coming videos. Take care.